Coaches, mentors, and trainers often rely on multiple tools to make teaching interactive. Diagram apps, screen sharing, file uploads, link sharing. It adds cost, wastes time, and breaks the flow. That's exactly what skillBNK solves. With skillBNK, you get a built-in whiteboard that lets you draw and explain concepts while you teach, just like you would on a real board. It's interactive, engaging, and designed to make sessions more productive. And you don't have to export anything. You don't have to upload anywhere. Whatever you draw is saved instantly, and your learners can access it anytime from the web portal. No tool switching, no copy-paste, no extra setup. Everything you need is already there. And the best part? skillBNK is always free for institutions, corporate organizations, and individual coaches and consultants. Try skillBNK today.